Are you hungry? Oh, you're really hungry, are you?
Let me come home to you. Let me come home to you again.
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy John Chow. It is May 4th, Wednesday. I haven't been vlogging for the past couple of days. Trying to catch up most of my days for the vlog, especially from this past week. This weekend, I got some of the free samples, and that's one thing I like about Europe. You get free samples and try new things that you were not expected to try. So one of the samples I got is this thing from Metabolic. From one of my videos, is from that company that I told you guys about. Tastes like cough medicine. That I'm addicted to that stuff. Yes, that cough medicine. This brand. Never had this this protein. I want to give it a try. I know I have a friend that used to buy their protein. They say they like it. It tastes really good. So let's see how this thing tastes. Alright, you guys. So I think it's telling you about it got 13 gram fat. I'm not too sure you guys can see this, but on this package it's saying 13 gram fat, 21 gram protein, 6 gram of carbs, 1 gram of sugar. So yeah, let's give this a try. Got this thing in. Let's see how this thing looks. It's pink. Maybe it tastes like strawberry. Damn, it actually tastes pretty good. It tastes like strawberry ice cream. Shit, man, it's about to rain, guys.
Hi, Gucci. Hey, baby. The fuck? Are you hungry? Oh, you're really hungry, are you? Oh, what you give me attitude, boy?
So one of the things I got from Europa was this pre-workout. I think it's called EVP Plus. Yeah, never heard about this brand, but just want to give it a try and see how this is effective for me for my pre-workout. For the pre-workout, one of the things I look for is, which I hate the most, is jitters. I used to take C4, and when I took them, I was getting some jitters. I hate that feeling. It's like someone tingling your whole body, and it just didn't like that feel. So I usually take Ultimate Nutrition Gold Standard. That's one thing I usually take, and that's a really good pre-workout. So that's one thing I like about going to Europa, is you get samples and you get to try these things out that you would never thought about using. So good thing is raspberry lemonade, so that's good. Looking forward to that taste. It's alright, not gonna lie. Not too crazy about the taste. Got done doing shoulders workout. Really tired right now. My arms really burnt. Josh over here, he just got done working out too. And we were talking about stuff that we met at the meetup for Christian. It was a really cool event, and he saw me, but he's being a bitch for not telling me. He's being a bitch for not even saying hi to me.
In line,
oh my god, man! But he should. I didn't see him. I wish I did saw him.
It's this guy, not me.
So I wish I saw him, but you know what? Good thing is we got what we wanted, and to see Javon and Christian, and also Alicia Coles. You know, we were happy to see that. So.